Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use your scheduled calendar automated actions in Trello. So let's begin. So here we are in Trello right here in our project. So once you are here in your board right here or your workspace, then all you have to do is click here on automation so that we can automate a command right here. So you can choose any of this. We can change it later right here. So here we want to go here at the left, click on scheduled right here, and you want to click on create automation right here so that we can create a scheduled action right here. And all we have to do now is click on add trigger. So you would select a schedule right here depending on what you want. So you can go for every Monday, Tuesday, or maybe every 2 weeks depending on what you want right here. So for example, I'd want these choices right here, every day or every weekday. So let's say I want every day right here. So I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna choose every day right there. So now all we have to do left is select the actions that we want to happen every day, as we have selected the trigger right here. And in this case, we will be choosing I want a list maybe right here. So from here, we're gonna go create a new or unique list right here depending on what you want right here. And you can select the list name right here. So everyday list, let's just name it everyday list right there. And after that, you want to click here. Once you're done, you want to click on a plus sign so that it will be saved as an action. And remember that you can add more actions. I think you need to fill this up right here. So yeah, you need to fill this up right here. Project resources, new list name is that just random right there, and then add it right here so you can add multiple actions just like that. And remember, you have a lot more options for the actions that you want. So you can sort it. You can sort the cards right here in your board right here, or you can just move the cards right here if you want to. And once you are done setting up your action, you can click on save, and then you can just watch it happen every day as I have indicated in my trigger right here. So depending on your trigger, on the frequency that it would happen right here on your board. And yeah, that is basically it on how you can do it right here so that you can have a scheduled automated action. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.